Samsung already set the internet buzzing when they dropped their long-rumored tri-folding smartphone a few days ago, but that's not the only Samsung product drawing attention right now. The Galaxy S26 series are dropping next month, and after that, the next generation Z Flip and Z Fold series will follow. And from everything that's been coming out, it feels like Samsung is going all in with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8. The Fold 7 is easily the company's most polished book-style foldable yet. Super thin, refined, and incredibly well built, but it still left a few long-standing complaints on the table, especially around battery life, charging speed, and that ever-present crease. With the Galaxy Z Fold 8, however, Samsung is aiming to fix all these shortcomings. Early reports from a couple of weeks ago already hinted that Samsung was working on a serious battery upgrade for the Fold 8, aiming to push the device closer to a 5,000 mAh cell. That alone would be a big deal, especially since Samsung has been using the same 4,400 mAh battery since the Fold 3, but the latest information makes it even better. As per the latest report, Samsung is reworking the phone's internal design to support 45 watts fast charging, up from 25 watts on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's not quite the 60 watts fast charging that's rumored for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but after years of identical slow charging speeds, even this bump would make our lives a little bit easier. The Fold 7 takes nearly an hour and a half to refill its relatively small battery, and even a halfway charge needs around 30 minutes, so a bigger battery paired with faster charging would finally bring the Fold series closer to where a premium device should be. Furthermore, Samsung has also been experimenting with new display hardware, specifically laser-drilled metal plates designed to spread out the pressure when the screen bends. This could make the Fold 8's crease far less visible, maybe even close to invisible, which is something Fold users have wanted for years. Interestingly, Apple is expected to use that same technology for its first foldable iPhone coming next year, with both companies sourcing parts from a South Korean company called Fine M Tech. In addition, another familiar feature might return as well: S Pen support. Samsung pulled the stylus from the Fold 7 to keep the phone as slim as possible, but insiders say the company has been testing a thinner digitizer that could make space for it again. Whether Samsung sticks with its usual EMR system or explores the AES approach that Apple uses, the important part is that the option is back on the table. And if enough people show interest, the Fold 8 could finally bring the S Pen back to the lineup. All of this is happening at a time when Apple is preparing to enter the foldable market for the first time next year, which means Samsung is under pressure to show it can stay ahead in the category it helped define. With a bigger battery, faster charging, an improved crease-free display, and the potential return of the S Pen, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is shaping up to be a more complete, more confident flagship that builds on the Fold 7's foundation while finally addressing the smaller pain points. Of course, we're still a long shot away from the Galaxy Z Fold 8, which is why you should subscribe to the channel to stay updated with every new development about the phone. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.